How to stop grass from growing so fast. If you are tired of cutting your lawn every week, or you are concerned about the environmental resources your lawn uses, look into slowing down your grass growth. Fast-growing grass will take up your time and consume water quickly, so find a way to tend your lawn that will leave it healthy but growing at a slower rate. Plant slow-growing grass. Zoysia grass is a slow grower, as well as being tolerant of drought. Buffalo grass is another slow grower, and as a native North American grass, it is hardy in the United States. Reduce your use of fertilizers. Fertilizers encourage fast plant growth, and not only does this lead to more mowing, it can also lead to plants that are too tall and spindly. Using a small amount of fertilizer or a slow-release fertilizer leads to grass that grows much more slowly. Water your lawn deeply, but make sure that you do not do it too often. In one watering session, the grass will need between 1 and 1.5 inches of water, but it only needs this much water every few days. Water early in the day for the best results. Raise the setting on the lawn mower. Grass that is cut a little taller will grow more slowly. Cutting only a small amount of the grass off when you mow will cause less trauma to the plant, and it will not try to repair the damage as quickly. Use chemical inhibitors carefully. Hardware stores and greenhouses sell chemical inhibitors to slow down the growth of grass, but excessive use can result in a loss of color and the death of the plant. Be careful when using inhibitors, and apply them sparingly.